take you on a trip today, just to show you our backyard. Just somewhere where I've been going for the last 10 years, and look, it never disappoints. Looks like we've got some good weather today as well, so yeah, hopefully it's a good one. So grab a cold one, grab a hot one, whatever you want to drink, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Just a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. Sweet Mary Jane, won't you lay me down? I lost my heart in California, lost my mind. Shot me down with a revolver, got me high. Then a heart of gold came on the stereo.
I guess I haven't really introduced myself, so yeah, I'm Sean. I'm an engineer by trade, and yeah, just I love camping, four-wheel driving. This is Blue, if you haven't met her. It's always chasing shadows. And yeah, look, I think we've just got some spare time, and I thought I'd jump into something like this. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, and yeah, just thought, you know what, I'm only getting older, might as well start in it. And yeah, so it's as made up as anything. So please, you know, if you want something scheduled, and you know, something that's one thing, this isn't the channel. It's a bit of everything for you know, a bit of everything for the channel. And if I feel that, you know, I want to record it, I'll record it, and I'm going to be as genuine as anything. So yeah, I suppose that's the introduction that I needed to do. And yeah, let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see. If there's anything that that interests you, yeah, let us know, and maybe you can be here like this on the beach one day with me and have a coffee.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the